Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 5G is shipped after the Mi 11 flagship and focuses on similar features: an HRR screen, enjoyable camera quality, long battery life, fast charging, and overall smooth eye experience. The Lite relies on the Snapdragon 732G chip, the same one we experienced as part of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. The 6.55-inch OLED is of great quality with 10-bit color support, HDR10 certification, and a 90Hz refresh rate. Xiaomi isn't keen on providing any sort of ingress protection for the Mi 11 Lite phones. The most notable omission is splash resistance. Obviously, the similarly priced Poco X3 Pro is IP53 rated, and Samsung is putting an even bigger effort with its most recent IP67 rated Galaxy phones, and even an IR report on its Galaxy phones. It's not a major issue, but it's already a popular must-have for the competition. The Mi 11 Lite may have undergone an obvious cost-cutting process. Bundles includes power adapter, USB-C cable and silicone case. Comes with a screen protector, but it's one of those cheap films that turn your screen into a smudge magnet. Xiaomi also giving away a thin screen protector, but we just couldn't bear all this smear.